or I want to do actually, is pull off the armrest pad. So we're gonna pull this armrest off, and then we're gonna put one of these, like I said, little clips in there to hold the screw. Put that on the door panel, and then put this back on. So that's the first thing I want to go ahead and do. So let me try and see where I can sit y'all. See, is that good? And then I'll turn y'all up. Yeah, that's probably the best y'all can get, you know what I'm saying? So what I need to do before I can just throw this straight on there is figure out, well, really I gotta adjust it. See how it'll go on there pretty well. Dang it, I dropped it in the freaking door. That's what I was trying not to do. Now I gotta take that whole freaking door off to get it out. Dang it, that's what I was trying to freaking avoid, man. But yeah, now we can go ahead and remove the armrest pad on the passenger side. I got everything situated on that side. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, man, I gotta go ahead and pull the passenger door, lower door panel back off because the screws, I really ain't gotta pull it all the way off, but the screws, I don't know if I put a washer on that side or not. I think I put a washer on this side. Well, regardless, I gotta pull it off, and then I gotta pull both the armrests off so I can put an extra screw inside both of them. I have, if I can find it, there we go. I found two more of these, so I'm gonna put one on each door because right now it's just one screw holding the armrest on, which is strong, but I'd rather have two just to be safe than sorry, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull both armrests off, and then pull that lower door panel, pull the screws out for that one that actually holds the door panel onto the door, pull those screws out, and then put it back on, you know what I'm saying? Which is just the two screws that's behind the armrest pad. It's still one, two, I think like 3 or 4 more screws still in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's still 4 more screws in the door panel, so the door panel won't fall off the door. It's just I gotta remove those 2 upper bolts, or 2 upper screws I mean, and put some washers behind them because it came apart, so it's a little loose up top, so I gotta fix that, you know what I'm saying? That's what we're finna do in this video, so I hope y'all enjoy. Nothing too crazy, nothing too long. Like I said, something really quick, something simple. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing, man. Let's try and surpass that by a milestone, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to 50K. You feel me? So like I said, I need y'all help to do that, though I can't do this on my own. But yeah, we're gonna put these in on both the armrests, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some washers behind them screws on that door panel. Like I said, I don't think I put nothing in there, so that's what we're gonna do. So like I said, hope y'all enjoy, man. I'm gonna be letting y'all listen to the music somewhat soon. I gotta charge that battery, man. That battery is dead, so yeah, I gotta mess with that battery. Well, really just take it to get charged at AutoZone. It's free, so that's probably what I'm gonna go and do today. Get ready to take it off and then take it to get charged up and let it charge up for the day, then go pick it up. That way when I get ready to drive the car this week for Christmas, the battery will be charged. I won't have to worry about the battery dying and asking my dad or somebody that's around me to give me a jump. You feel me? So I just don't want to deal with that. So that's what I think I'm gonna go and do today. Pull that battery off and take it to get charged, and then, you feel me, mess with the car again tomorrow. Just like I said, just a prep for Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Even though about time y'all getting this, bro, it's probably months, it's probably like 3 months after Christmas, maybe even April. It might be April by the time y'all getting this, bro. Like I said, I'm so ahead on videos. I could drop daily. I just don't think my videos would do that good if I did daily. They ain't even doing good with me dropping 4 times. So yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid though, man. We finna get right into it. Gotta take them armrest pads off, put these in there, that way the armrest pads will both have 2 screws in them, and then put the washers on that door panel, then I'm done. You feel me? So something quick, something simple, something easy. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so the first thing I need to do, or I want to do actually, is pull off the armrest pad. So we're gonna pull this armrest off, and then we're gonna put one of these, like I said, little clips in there to hold the screw, put that on the door panel, and then put this back on. So that's the first thing I want to go ahead and do. So let me try and see where I can sit y'all. See, is that good? And then I'll turn y'all up. Yeah, that's probably the best y'all can get, you know what I'm saying? So, pull one of these screws, well, the only screw in there. Go ahead and pull that out. Alright, get that screw up out of there. There we go. Then this armrest should come on off. So, what I need to do before I can just throw this straight on there is figure out, well, really I gotta adjust it. See how it'll go on there pretty well. Dang it, I dropped it in the freaking door. That's what I was trying not to do. Now I gotta take that whole freaking door off to get it out. Dang it, that's what I was trying to freaking avoid, man. That's what I was trying to avoid. Freak. I don't have no magnet or nothing about it. Just reach in there and get it. So I get these screws off, man. Very, very, very unfortunate on my end. Stupid move. I was trying to be careful, and being careful did not work. You know? So now I gotta pull these door panels. Now I pull these freaking door panels off, and them screws gonna be hard to get back in. Yep, and it fell all the way in there. That's on me. Let me get this, man, get that piece out, put that on, because this is not even the part I was trying to show you. I was trying to show y'all me putting the washers on the other door, but now I gotta mess with this. So y'all give me 1 second, bro. All right, y'all, so now we can go. Left my screwdriver out here, but yeah, now we can go ahead and remove the armrest pad on the passenger side. I got everything situated on that side. A little frustrating that I did that, but yep, it happens, you know. Stuff happens, man. Stuff happens. So, yeah. Now we can go ahead and remove the armrest pad and get ready to add the washers on this side. And then put that little piece in so I can have 2 screws on this armrest pad as well. Alright, slide that off. There we go. And get the pad out the way. And, yep, it's both of them. So I did have washers on them. It's just the washers weren't big enough, so I'm gonna have to put some bigger washers on. So I'm gonna have 2 washers on there on both of these boats. Yep, I had washers on them, and like I said, it just didn't work. I gotta be careful not to drop these washers behind the door panel, because that would not be good. Now I'm gonna have to take this door panel fully apart. So let me get a flat head so I can try. I see what happened. The door panel piece, this mug done broke. I can't pry it off. Go. Got it. Well, that piece fell in the door. It is what it is, for real. Got both the washers out without dropping them inside the door. So now I gotta try to figure out if this gonna even work. Cause I don't think it is. And like I said, all I can do is try. That's all I can do. Alright, that seems like that might work. That might help hold it. This side I know for sure it'll be good. This side just needed a bigger washer, but that side, part of the door panel broke. Yeah, I know this side's gonna be good for sure. It's gonna be this one. But now we got both the washers on, so perfect. And screws it tight. Now I can go ahead and add this little bracket for the armrest pad. I need to make sure I don't drop this mug. Alright, there we go. Slid it in. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Now I'm basically finna just sit it on here real quick to make sure I got the screws right. This will need to come over a lot more. Alright, it look like that'll work. I'm trying to be real careful, y'all, because I do not want to drop that in the door again. There we go. Got that on. Oh, dang it. Nope, it's not good enough. Alright, that might work right there. Nope, it's not gonna work either. That's all I gotta do is just keep messing around with it, you know, and then it'll eventually work. Let me try to turn it this way. That might work. Yep, that one did it. I don't know where I set these screws. Here go one screw. Hold on, phone, calm down. Where did I set that? Oh, both of them here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in my screwdriver head. Put this screw in. There we go. Tighten it down. Alright, got one screw in. Let's put the second one in. Go. And now I got both screws on. Now this door panel is officially done again. Got both of them on. Y'all can see in there, both screws in. Same thing on this side. I'm trying to get it so y'all can see. Y'all can kind of see the screws in there. But yeah, now both sides are now done with the screws in both of them. And then I got the washers on this one, which is what I needed. And now it's nice and tight again. So yeah, that's it, man. That's all I needed to do for this. So I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Got that done, man. That's something I needed, was to add the washers. Lost my screwdriver head. But yeah, was to add the washers on this side, which I already had washers on, but the washer was too small. So yeah, it's a good thing I had them bigger ones, you know what I'm saying? Put them bigger ones on this door, and now it's all nice and tight again, nice and sturdy. So now I don't know, I was gonna record painting this piece, so I can go ahead and put it up here. You know what I'm saying? The little boat cover for the seatbelt boat cover. I was gonna go and paint that in the next video. That's probably what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? I'm missing the clip on the back, but it's fine. You know, y'all know I bought 2 brand new ones for the box Chevy. Well, yeah, basically for the box Chevy. I was gonna put them in here, but I already painted one in here, so ain't no need me putting them in here. You feel me? The box Chevy can get something new. It'll be all right. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna keep tweaking with this radio off camera, and then I'm gonna try and play it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, everything works. The door panels work. It's just my subs not. And I wanted the subs to work for the video, but I'm probably just gonna do the video without the subs working. But yeah, the subs not working because the amps. You feel me? 1 amp, it just won't cut on at all. The Memphis amp, the jack ports is like loose, and I don't have no soldering gun to be able to take it apart and mess with it. So I just didn't want to do that. I'm gonna try and look and see if I have some other amps. If I don't, then you feel me, I'm just gonna go without the amps until I go ahead and order my full subwoofer set. You know what I'm saying? With the CT Sound subs, the Q-Bomb box, and this CT Sound amp. You know what I'm saying? So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna wait, you feel me, and call it a good day. You feel me? Everything else works. My dash speakers work, rear deck speakers work, and we don't finna change them out for 6x9s. These door panel speakers work, all 4 of them. Well, 2 of them wasn't working. That's because I had to add another jack, you feel me, which I just did the jack adapters, a Y adapter, 2 females to a male, or 2 males to a female, something like that. You know what I'm saying? The jack adapters, so I just used them, which I can show it to y'all if y'all want to see it. Y'all just let me know. I just I don't know what I just said, but yeah, I just put the adapters, the RCA jack adapters on. That way I wouldn't have to run a whole nother set of jacks, and even though I couldn't run another set of jacks, so I just put the adapter on and split it off. You feel me? Put both the reds on one and then both the whites on another, and like I said, just use the adapter to split them off. And now all 4 door speakers work, all 4 of them. So huge. That's something really nicely. You feel me? Like I said, I think I gotta adjust the amp so they'd be a little bit louder, but they are still pretty loud. You know what I'm saying? They play very nicely. I like them. So y'all stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna show y'all relatively soon. You know what I'm saying? That way y'all can really get a good feel, or get a good hear of how everything gonna sound. This car is pretty loud now. Even these dash speakers, these DS18 dash speakers, are a lot louder than them Scars, the 3.5 Scars. So that was a good little upgrade as well. But hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, man, make sure y'all smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. The way y'all be notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all share the channel, share the video. Do whatever you can, help me reach that goal. Other than that, I love y'all, appreciate y'all, man. Keep God first and God bless. And y'all let me know how y'all think everything turning out so far. In my opinion, everything is looking really good. But like I said, I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.